Hi, my name is Jeff Tragg, and this is my version of the Revell Type 21U 2540 submarine model. I am an electrical engineer and professional model builder. I was originally looking for an American submarine, but I couldn't find one with adequate insides of the conning tower, so I decided to build this German submarine instead. This model has taken me 6 months to complete. This is the forward torpedo room. This is the forward crew area, bathroom and technical officer's room. And yes, I installed the bathroom in my submarine. This is the control room and the kitchen area. This is the conning tower. This is the aft crew area. These are the diesel engines and generators. These are the electric motors. These two photos are of the starboard side. In the front is the amplifier and MP3 player. These two photos are of the port side. There's only one example of this submarine today, located in Bremerhaven, Germany. If you go to YouTube and type in Iron Coffins Part 41, fast forward to 14.5 minutes, you can see this submarine as it appears today. Now this is how I built my model. I've tested all of the 3mm LEDs and then finished painting the rooms. This is a test fit of all major parts. These are the two hull sides airbrushed. The crew was 3D printed. I used a microscope to paint the crew. I really couldn't do much with the faces. The crew has now been installed. These are 3D printed 3mm valve handles painted red and green. I drilled holes in the top deck for the guidepost rails. This is the testing of all the 3mm LEDs that are in my model. In total, all LEDs draw 1/4 of an amp. Now gluing the top deck into both port and starboard sides was about the only major problem that I had with this model, but after much time and patience, I was successful. And here again is my finished model. There are plenty of these Revell 05078 kits available on eBay, Amazon, and other websites. Please give this video a like if you enjoyed it. And if you have any questions, you can contact me at buildingultimatemodels@gmail.com.